evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending upon whichever part of the world you are. Now we are for your questions series for the next exam, which is science. So let's start without wasting time. All right, guys, let's start. I'll go full screen. Can you see my screen? Yes. Okay. So we have already learned about the topic called forces. Okay. So what we learned about forces, basically there are four types of forces are there, right? Mechanical, no, there are six types of. Oh, okay, timer is there. It's okay. I will revise the timer. No problem. It's okay. Okay. So basically there are mainly four types. No, six type of forces we have learned. Okay. And the six type of forces what we have learned, the two forces we learned was this: gravitational force, elastic force, air friction. There is drag. Then frictional force is there. Mechanical force is there, right? Okay, so this is what all we have learned in our last chapter. Okay, what we will do now, what all we have learned in our last chapter, now we will quickly do a revision with the question bank. So let's start without wasting time. Which force help us to lift our school bag? How can you lift it?
Muscular.
Yeah, answer is muscular, because you need to apply your muscular force. Okay, all right. Next question. Turning a page. When you're turning a page, then what kind of force you're applying?
Muscular.
Muscular again, because you have to apply your muscular force to change the page. Okay.
Yeah.
Magnetic force, we need magnet. Gravity is not need involved here. Elastic is not involved here. So it's the muscular. Okay. Correct answer. Read the question carefully. Okay. This is important, Maulik. Okay. Next question.
Yeah.
Kicking a football uses what kind of force? You want to kick a footballer? Again, you have to use a muscular force. That's correct answer. When you have to apply a force on kicking football, you have to apply the muscular force. Movement done by our body uses which kind of force? Movement by our body uses which kind of force?
Muscular.
Very easy. It's muscular force. Movement, any hand movement, leg movement you are doing, it's the force which is being used is called what? Muscular. Okay. Then the next question, crane. You know crane. There's a crane.
Yeah.
It's a machine, right?
Yeah.
What they are saying, crane lifts,
Yeah.
leaves heavy object, books or magnets.
Yeah.
So crane we use to use what? Heavy object. And what kind of force is being applied here? Which kind of force is being applied here, Maulik? The force used by the machines are called what? Mechanical force.
Yeah.
So the force which is used by the crane is called what? Mechanical force. Understood?
Yeah.
Next question. Bowling machine uses bowling machine. Who uses bowling machine? The cricket coach. Who uses the bowling machine? The cricket coach. And for what they use? They use it for what? Tell me.
For throwing the ball faster.
Yeah. And which kind of force they're using?
Mechanical.
Is this gravity? No. It's this mechanical? Yes. Is this elastic? No. So what kind of force they use? They use mechanical force. That's the correct answer. Elastic force helps shoot what?
An arrow.
An arrow, a book, stone, or leaf.
Wood.
It's
Throw
a,
book,
it's a,
stone
it's a,
and leaf.
it's shoot a arrow. Arrow is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Okay. In your book, the example of bow and arrow was given. Na?
Yeah.
An archer pulls what? A chain,
Bowstring.
bowstring, magnet, or a wheel.
Bowstring.
He always pulls a bowstring. That's the correct answer. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go to the next question. Next question is Pole vaulters uses what?
Flexible pole.
Huh?
Flexible pole.
What is this? They are using a flexible pole. Why they use a flexible pole? Because they have to jump, right?
Yeah.
So they use a flexible pole. Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of force they use? They use air, gravity, magnetic, or elastic force?
Elastic force.
Elastic force. Teacher will ask you, pole vaulter use what kind of force? You have to tell they use the elastic force. Don't get confused, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are supposed to get good marks in this chapter, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to next question. Released ball will,
Fall down.
why it will fall down?
Because there's gravitational force.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are correct. The released ball will fall down. Why it will fall down? Because there is a gravitational force which will pull it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the next question? Earth pulls object by what?
Gravity.
What kind of gravity is called? Gravitational force. What is gravity also called as? Gravitational force. So the gravity and gravitational force are same. So don't get confused. Teacher might give you the option gravity or gravitational force. So Earth pull object by gravity force. Okay?
Gravitational.
Yeah, gravity or gravitational is same Maulik. Another name for gravitational force is what? Tell me.
Gravity. Gravity.
Another name for force is called gravitational force is called what? Gravity.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, by mistake. Oh, correct answer is gravity. I think I clicked at the wrong place. Object fall because of what?
Gravity.
Object falls because of
Gravity.
gravity. You are right. So they fall because of the gravity. That's correct answer. Okay. Leaf falls due to what?
Uh, Gravity.
Okay. Let's look into this. Okay. Bicycle slows down.
Due to friction.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why it slow down? Tell me.
Friction.
But why?
It slows down due to friction.
Okay.
If
But
we apply the brakes,
friction, what is done? Why friction is doing?
the friction is a type.
In the opposite direction of the motion. That's why we have to slow down. Bicycle gets slow down. Okay. Why? Because the frictional force applies in the opposite direction of your motion. Okay. Rolling ball stop because of what? Because of friction. Yes, you are correct. What is the next question? Friction acts when moving over what? Surface. Why surface? Because when they move over the surface, there will be a frictional force which will be applied on that. Okay. Do you get it? Okay. So what is the answer? Surface is the correct answer. Okay. What is the next question? Friction acts in the same direction, opposite direction, up or down. Tell me the answer.
Opposite.
Are you sure? Yeah, always don't get confused. Whenever the question comes, you have to tell friction acts in the opposite direction. Friction always acts in the opposite direction. Okay? Okay, next question. Skater overcomes what kind of force they overcome? Skaters? They overcome the frictional force. Why? Because there is a. Okay, next question. Air friction is also called as what?
Drag.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get confused. And in order to beat drag, what the airlines does, they make the airplane know a special save.
Yeah.
Okay, airplane reduces what?
Air friction.
Why? Because they have to go in the air, na?
Yeah.
Iron nails are attracted by what?
Magnetic.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, the iron nails are attracted by the magnetic forces. They are attracted by the magnetic forces. Fridge magnet use what kind of force? You have seen the fridge magnet. Now your friend have given one fridge magnet to you put on wall. They use the magnetic force. Yes, you are correct. What is the next question? Magnet can only attract, only repel, attract and repel.
Attract and repel.
Very important question. I'm telling you all, it's a very important question. Most of the student will make mistake here. Why? Because they think magnet will only attract, but no, that's not true. Magnet can attract and repel at the same time. Like pole repel, unlike pole attract each other. It's attract and repel both. Okay. Next question. Plastic objects are what? Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Non-magnetic.
Yeah, plastic objects are non-magnetic. What do you mean by they are non-magnetic? What that mean?
Like there's no magnetic.
That means if the magnet will be bring near to them, the magnetic force will not apply on them.
You know,
Okay.
Japan just made a plastic that in within hours or minutes.
Okay, later. Important force for movement. What force is needed for movement?
No.
Maulik, focus. For movement means you want to walk. In order to walk,
Muscular.
no. There is important another force which is also important for walking.
Friction.
Yeah, see, there is no option for muscular. Then the another option is what? Friction. That's the correct answer. Okay, which is not in relation. Which kind of force is not in this one?
Solar.
Solar. Yeah, very good. Basically, you can ask what is not a force. Gravity pulled towards what?
Earth.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, gravity pulls towards Earth. In your book, it's Earth, but other might be also true. Okay, but here, okay, we use muscular force to lift a school bag. True or false? Yeah, we use a muscular force to lift a school bag. True. Very good. Turning up pages uses a muscular force.
True.
I think they are repeating the question now, but it's okay.
It's fine.
A bowling machine uses muscular force.
False.
False. Yeah. Cranes lift heavy things. Crane lift heavy things. True or false?
True.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Mechanical mechanical force.
True.
Yeah, that's true. Next question. An archer uses elastic force. True. Very good.
Almost all are true.
Huh?
Almost all are
Okay. Paul Walter uses flexible poles.
true.
Yeah, very good. Gravity pushes object away from Earth.
False.
Ah, it's not always true. Huh? Object thrown up come back down.
True.
Why? Because of the gravitational force. Okay. Gravity pulls towards the Earth center.
True.
Yeah, it's true. Wherever there is a gravity, it will pull towards you the center of the Earth. Another 10 question and we are done.
Yay.
Leaf falls because of gravity.
True.
Yeah, leaf falls because of gravity is true. That's correct.
Yeah.
A bicycle moves forever without pedaling.
False.
False. Why? Because there is a frictional force which is applied in the opposite direction of the movement of bicycle. And because of this frictional force is applied, and due to this frictional force, bicycle will stop. In order to keep moving in the bicycle, you have to keep pedaling. A bicycle moves forever without pedaling is a false statement.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Friction slows moving object. Yes, brother. Tell me.
True.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, yeah, you're true, correct. Friction act in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Yes, true. Friction always acts in the opposite direction. Next question. Is skater overcome friction? Yes, they overcome the friction. Very true. What is the next question? Air friction is also called drag.
True.
Yeah, do remember, air friction is also called what? Drag. Okay. Airplane reduces air friction.
True.
Yeah, they have to reduce, otherwise their fuel will be more, right?
Mm.
Magnet attracts iron nails. Magnet attract iron nails is a true statement. Magnet attract plastic.
False.
False. Magnet can attract and repel at the same time.
True.
Yeah, is correct answer. So that's it, guys. I wish you all the best for your examination. That's all from our side, guys. Do share your feedback in the terms of comment. If you need another type of teaching or learning, I'm not saying to like, subscribe, and all those things. Just pass your feedback. Like if you're liking our videos, if you want to include other way of mechanism, our objective is to impart the knowledge among all our friends and get the good marks. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. Good night.